Okay, 1988 Ford F250. Had a few issues with getting it started up from the inside of the truck. It has no problem starting up, but as you see, it had nothing. So anyways, I went ahead and I replaced this deal here. I won't be using any technical terms. I'm an idiot when it comes to this. For whatever reason, I think it's an ignition cylinder. I'm not sure. Anyway, replace that. Still did nothing. So from what I have talked to some people, it could have something to do with my neutral relay, because I don't know if it makes any difference if it's standard or automatic, but this is a standard vehicle. Anyway, so I had to bypass the starter solenoid. So normally you would take a piece of metal like a screwdriver and touch this to this, and that would fire you up, and that's how I was having to start it before. As far as trying to put in a push button, that doesn't work. Try to do that and all you're gonna get is a click and a buzz. Doesn't do it. Anyway, so you've got this little wire here, right? It plugs in to this piece here. Well, that's where you need your second wire for your push button to go into. So you put it on there. I disconnected the whole thing completely. Anyway, and then your other wire for your push button is going to go onto your hot. See? Hot cable, hot terminal goes right there. That's where one of your wires goes. That's where this wire is going to. This other cable here is going here to this post. That's going to run all the way up. I went up the length of the truck. I'll zip tie it and everything like that and get it all, buttoned up. Anyway, so then I came all the way down and around and down inside. I don't know if you can see right through there, the white cable and the black wire going through the firewall there. Anyways, and then once I got to this point, I can now turn the vehicle on. My little button right there that I've installed, and she purrs like a kitten. I will say, there's not a lot of videos out there for all the little stuff, unfortunately, and that really sucks, because I spent forever trying to find the right videos that applied to my vehicle, and I'm an idiot, so I don't know how universal everything is, but hopefully this will help somebody out.